All right, this next website that I'm going to use is called MysteryDoug.com. Mystery Doug is actually part of Mystery Science, which is a wonderful program that my kids love. You can get a free trial basis for Mystery Science, but I just want to show you Mystery Doug because it's completely free. If you ever have time or teach K through 5, any type of science thing, curriculum, it is wonderful, wonderful. It meets most of the standards for science. All right, back to Mystery Doug. All right, Mystery Doug is a really simple, fun 5 or 6 minute exploration for science that you can do. You just sign up and it is free forever. Once you sign up, it goes to your email, and here is what it looks like in your email. You get 1 a week. You click on the mystery, and then it brings up a 5-minute video. It starts with a question, which we talk about in my class, how science always starts with a question, and it kind of leads us into the design process. So I'll just give you a quick snippet, and then I'll show you something else really quick with Mystery Doug.
Hi, it's Doug. Now's the time of year that we get to do this. Happy New Year!
Okay, so Doug goes through a quick little video. He always answers the question from the kids. So not only do the kids get to be part of the answer, the kids are also the ones who come up with the questions for Mystery Doug. So they're relevant questions to the kids. It's a great program to lead into Mystery Science, to just be a quick brain break. Even my 5th graders enjoy it, and we have written some questions for Mystery Doug and hope to see them someday. The ISTE standards that go along with Mystery Doug are 4A and 3D. And my audience for this video is teachers, just to show how to log in and how Mystery Doug works. And then for Mystery Doug, obviously, our audience is students. Thanks for your time.